Hi, I'm Dr. Callie Estes, CEO and founder of the Addictions Academy. The Narcissist Abuse Coach certification is one of a kind. We put together a very comprehensive program on what it looks like between the differences of types of narcissism there are and the difference between borderline, ego, entitled, and narcissism. Very important to know the differences. Also, what it looks like for gaslighting and breadcrumbing, and how do you deal with the fallout when the narcissist walks away. So, this course is specifically designed to help you coach victims of narcissistic abuse and to understand the differences and different types of narcissism that are out there and what that looks like in trauma and trauma healing work. So, it's very comprehensive, it's very organized in a sense that you're going to walk away with tools and skills to actually coach somebody through this area of your life. It's designed as an add-on for counselors and coaches to be able to hone your skill set and have a niche in this space. Along with this training comes ethics course and certification and 10 weeks of mentorship. You also get the manuals, the workbook, all of the bonuses below, and of course the community that we've built to be part of. If you're looking for work once you're done, we do hire from within at Sober on Demand, and you can reach out to us with any questions on this course at 1-800-706-0318, extension 2.